One countryman wey im name na Dr. Ayodele Olorunfemi, and he na the Labour Party governorship candidate for inside the upcoming governorship election wey go happen for inside Ondo State. He don dey give the Ondo State people dem advice. He dey yarn dem reason why they suppose shun vote buying, why they no suppose allow vote buying happen during the governorship election exercise wey they don arrange very well say e go happen for the 16th day of November for inside this year 2024. And no be lie, my good people. Imagine say you can't go vote for a particular candidate, they can't pay you 5,000 or they can't pay you 10,000 or 20,000. You don't know how the next 4 years want to be. As they don't bribe their way inside there now, anything where you see for the government, you go take them. And no be 2 days, no be 1 week, no be 1 month, no be 1 year. Now 4 years. Now check them. That money where they give you to take buy your vote, is it worth it? It go worth all the suffering and tears we can receive for the next 4 years. Now why would they caution the general public? Even Dr. Olorunfemi said don dey yarn am say e no go nice at all if country people can't engage in vote buying, because last na country people like go still hear am hot. Dr. Olorunfemi now dey yarn this one for inside one conversation wey he get with Tori people on Saturday. The Labour Party candidate can't use the opportunity, can't throw advice they give the people of Ondo State. Those men and women now, we don't dey tired, very much tired of the current administration of the All Progressive Congress, will be APC for inside the state. Now, as I don't tire for the APC, their matter, they not sure about the People's Democratic Party. Their mind no strong, say PDP now go fit deliver, go fit give them the good things where they deserve for inside the state. Now, this state of confusion and ewulewu with these two parties, will be the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party, don't put country people into. It can't make the Labour Party look like an alternative. It can't look like say the Labour Party now be the better option for country people. And no be lie at all, this matter na serious one. Now, during the conversation with the Labour Party candidate will be Dr. Ayodele Olorunfemi get with Tori people on Saturday, he can dey throw advice they give the general public, especially the Ondo State people based on the upcoming election. He say in advice to them be say, this time around, may they not collect 10k because if they collect that 10k, they go lose their millions. Because the moment they collect the money and they can't vote for these two political parties, and they refer to the APC and the PDP, they go continue to dey pay. He said they go continue to dey pay the large sum of 160,000 naira as tuition fees, and that money so na the 10k wey the government been give them during the election, now they collect back as they don't enter office. During the Labour Party government, the mother and child hospital was free, but now they pay 80,000 naira for child delivery. So if they can't collect 10k now from the government, they go continue to dey pay 80,000 naira in the mother and child hospital for child delivery. All this one, my good people, they come from the Labour Party governorship candidate for inside Ondo State, to be Dr. Ayodele Olorunfemi. And if you check am properly, go see and say na true matter in the talk. Last when we don't sell our vote on that very day of the election, now we go suffer am for the next 4 years, because they go bring one thing or the other, one policy we go make them collect the money back, even ×2 or ×3 or ×5 or ×10. Just check out the increments now. We don't happen for inside the country as our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu take office. About 300% increment. That's no be play something. Now, if to say then tell country people say this government we are now they vote for, it go bring about 300% increment on top goods and services. Tell me whether that country person now he go likely vote for this government. So he say last now we they do ourselves. Anointed Lady TV now don't join body with the Labour Party candidate to be Dr. Olorunfemi, and we dey plead with the general public. I beg, we're gonna try the shun vote buying on any day of election, because it's not the way forward. Now ourselves we dey do. Anyhow, this information be for body, my good people. Feel free make a drop them inside our comment section. So on to the next information I would like share give the general public. The Koko be say, the Ijaw National Congress don dey call on the federal government say as they go scatter illegal refinery operations, say make dem make sure say the refinery of we nation, of the country Nigeria, e dey work. Make dem make sure say the legal one e dey function for inside we country Nigeria before they go waka go dey destroy the illegal ones. And the Federal Ministry of Petroleum Resources and Nigerian National Petroleum Company, they be don promise the nation say they go continue to dey work on refinery for inside we country Nigeria. But as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, this commencement, this promise, it don't fail sake of say the thing dey jam one problem or the other, from another wahala to another gbese. Since the month of December for inside the year 2023, NNPC, wey dey in charge of all the government refineries, they don't give Nigerians different dates. They say on this particular date, they go begin dey sell refined products for inside we country. Our country Nigeria no go come dey import fuel again for where? For inside the month of July for inside this year 2024, the Group Chief Executive Officer of the NNPC, his name na Mele Kyari, in come dey yarn say categorically the refinery go dey in operation for inside the early days of August. Now we don dey reach the ending of August and e never still dey work. Meanwhile, illegal refineries don continue to dey work for inside the country Nigeria. But inside one report now we can receive on Saturday, Nigerian military forces don destroy no less than 137 illegal refineries in a series of operations carried out between the month of August 2023 and the month of July for inside this year 2024. Now on Saturday will be the 24th day of August for inside this year 2024. The National Publicity Secretary of the Ijaw National Congress in don dey yarn for inside one interview wey he get with Tori people. Say if the refineries of our country Nigeria, if to say they dey function properly, if to say they dey work, illegal ones for no dey exist. And he can dey ask why e be say unskilled individuals, like people wey no even get skill at all for inside the country Nigeria, don manage to plaster illegal refineries and e dey function for inside the country. Why the nation, we country Nigeria, as them big rich, their refinery e no dey work, they dey import fuel. In any way, the refineries they supposed to dey work to reduce the suffering wey dey for inside the country Nigeria. Na why they dey appeal to the federal government to make all the necessary measures, to do all the necessary things to make sure say refineries work for inside the country Nigeria. And if refineries they work for inside the country, e no get any reason why illegal refineries go come dey exist, go come dey operational for inside the country. The refineries wey dey for inside Rivers State, North and so on, they're supposed to dey work, they're supposed to be effective. You know, they see any reason why refineries no supposed to dey work for inside the country. See people wey no go school, ordinary country people, they operate illegal refineries, but security operatives they arrest them. Now, if those illegal refineries can be operated by people who no go school, by ordinary country people, why the refinery of we country Nigeria, where learned people dey inside, where people don't graduate dey, you know, fit still work for inside the country Nigeria? All this one, my good people, they come from the National Publicity Secretary of the Ijaw National Congress, and this na the information we I say make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our legit information on the things and things where they happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you go like to receive more news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they bring another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.